Geordie Dave here. Welcome to DRD Allotments. What we're going to show you this week is we're building of that and a little tour around the plot. Haven't done much this week, but I thought I'd get a little bit out. So hope you enjoy the video. So let's crack on. Oh, go on. Right, we're putting our little cheap sort of greenhouse up. It was only a cheap thing for now. So they're putting that part in. So we'll put the back piece in, and then we'll tie it down before we put the roof on. Okay, so I'll come back in a couple of minutes and show you what else we've done. Rob getting the soil out, patting it down. Got to put some, we don't know what these are. Danny got them from the bungalow, so we're trying to grow them. There should be some little seedlings.
You put all them in, do you? Yeah, you just put them in and just spread them about.
Spread them about and then bury them.
Yep.
But don't, not deep. Just put some soil over the top of them. Put them in your hand.
No, don't fucking speak to now. You know where we're on camera.
You might want to take a handful of muck out. So you can put on the top.
Yeah. And Danny, just move it to one side. And I just...
Right, just hide the muck back on top. When it comes out here and gets watered.
Just spread all, there we go.
Tap it down, comes out here.
Water.
As I say, we haven't a clue what these are.
So they're going to be a mystery.
So they're going to be a mystery. Oh, I'll give them a good bloody water in here now. They're going to get in the greenhouse.
You don't want to drown them either, you know.
Yeah, but you want them wet enough. That's soaking in. Okay, in our little greenhouse at the moment. What they've just done, they're called organic crimson clover. They've been in the bungalow for years, so we don't know if they're going to grow. Also, we've got some strawberries here in that little tub. My wife put some peas in. Don't know whether they're going to grow, but I've got what. And these are chilies, but they're going to be thingied on in the proper pots. It's just that we've come down a day. Rain, it was just to check things out. And I haven't got the key for the other shed to get me little pots out. Pop them on so they can do them later on. But basically, I need to stick the label in. This is when we're little, as Dave calls it, a potting shed. A tomato house, a little greenhouse. So, right. Well, as you can see down here. We're getting everything sorted. Take a little walk. New water barrel we got off somebody. This is where the strawberries are going to go. This is my tatey bed. And look at that rhubarb shooting up. And along here, this is going to be a wildflower garden. Yeah. So point back towards the shed and all that. So hope you enjoyed this small video. Don't forget to subscribe and a thumbs up, and do another one next week when the weather gets a bit better, hopefully. Well, it'll be next Monday when I'm down, next Sunday I should say, and then Monday when I'm next down here. Probably waiting around about April before I start planting, because I want to make sure that there's no more frosts. So catch you again soon, so bye for now.